If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. When you edit forms and reports in Access, you often edit the objects inside the forms and reports called controls. In Form or Report Design View in Access, a grid line appears that helps you place and align the form and report controls. There is also a ruler you can use for measurements if needed. To turn the ruler or grid on or off in Form Design View or Report Design View in Access, click the Size Space drop-down button that appears in the Sizing and Ordering button group on the Arrange tab of the Form Design Tools or Report Design Tools contextual tab in the ribbon. Then click either the Ruler or Grid command in the drop-down menu that appears to turn them on or off. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.